everyone, here is my nighttime routine as I show you how I prepare to go to sleep after a long day of work, such as doing my Body Boss Fitness Guide workout, meal prepping, skincare, and all of that. I was going to work out outside, but then it's way too cold, so we're just gonna go back inside and work out in the kitchen. So I'm trying out this Body Boss guide, and it's amazing because basically all your workouts are planned for you and you can literally do them anywhere. All right, let's get this workout started, shall we? So we're gonna start off with 30 sumo squats. You wanna make sure that your stance is wide and you wanna bring all your weight to your heels to protect your knees and to ensure that you're sitting back as much as you can. Then we're gonna do 25 leg lifts. Make sure your back is on your yoga mat or on the floor. Next, we're gonna do a minute of butt kickers, and then we're gonna do some high knees and some tricep dips. Then thereafter, you're gonna do 30 ab bicycles. You wanna do 15 on each side and make sure your elbow reaches towards your knee. Then I like to do a quick stretch, and the guide already has them for you. So after work, when I don't have time to go to the gym, because honestly taking classes or going to the gym takes like an hour out of my time, but when I'm home, this is a 12-week fitness program, but it's okay if it takes you longer to complete it. But basically it offers really fun HIIT type of workouts like high intensity interval training. So let me just show you. So Monday is full body. So you do this entire workout twice, and that turns out to be about 14 minutes. And then your warm up is also 10 minutes. So the entire thing is only 24 minutes, but you're moving fast. I mean, it asks you to do 30 squats, but if you have some really intense music pumping, I just go, 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 go. And then before I know it, my workout is done and I'm sweaty, I'm tired, and it's great. And so I feel like this is great for me, and I like the printed version. You can buy all of this online, but then they give you either the online version where you can access everything online, or you can order the printed version. And they also sent me a sports bra, so I was like, woohoo! The level of difficulty increases as the weeks go on, and so for me, even though I'm pretty active, I even felt like the first couple weeks were still challenging for me. Some days I can't go to a class, and so then to have this at home, and it's only 24 minutes, is amazing. And it's actually really great for any skill level, especially if you want to just get started but you don't know where to start. This guide is a great thing to have because everything's planned out for you. So this is what I like to do when I'm home and I don't want to get myself to the gym. So now that I'm done, I need to go take a shower and then get my night routine started. So here we go. So I'm just gonna shower real quick. So I usually wash my hair every other day. I usually just tie it up and then take a shower, and if it gets a little wet, it's okay. I bought eucalyptus from Trader Joe's, and then I tied it with some strings so that when I take a hot shower, the smell just really relaxes me. Then I'm going to make dinner. I'm making Chrissy Teigen's breaded chicken with cheese, and oh my goodness, this was so good. You can also sub with vegan cheese. Right now, I only put a little bit because I don't like to eat a lot of dairy, but I was able to look at the instructions on her Instagram story, and then I made so many that I could use it for meal prep. Then I like to add arugula, and this glaze sauce from Trader Joe's is delicious. You guys really need to try it if you like balsamic vinegar. So while I'm eating, I'll usually watch a show and then just kind of relax, and then I do work the rest of the night. Leaving some straggling hair is cute and all, but it's not practical, so let's fix that. Okay, on to my skincare. So first, I take my micellar water, wipe off my makeup, and then wash my face with cold water and my Shiseido face wash. So now that my face is all clean, I'm now going to take this time to whiten my teeth. I haven't whitened my teeth since 2010, so it's been 9 years, and I used to use, you know, generic ones that you would get from Target. So then I got these charcoal ones that are supposed to be natural. Let me know if you know if these work, because I've been trying it and I don't see a difference yet, but then again, it hasn't been for a very long time. So just gonna take it off. Now that my teeth are occupied, I'm going to use this Belief toner. It is my favorite toner. Oh my goodness, I've been using it for 2 years now, and I always come back to it. Then I use my Cetaphil because I can use it on my face, but I can also use it on my body. 2 in 1, yes. Then I throw a dance party because I'm happy. Then I've been trying this night cream. It's supposed to recover overnight. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Whether the night cream works or not, I'm just going to try it anyway because it makes my face dewy. Then I like to use this Kiehl's avocado eye cream. I've been using this for about 5 years. Dance party, dance party, dance party. Yes, good night. Just kidding. Still need to brush my teeth. Put this back on. I realized I need to brush my teeth because the little slimy gunk is still on my mouth. Blah. Then I put on my retainers every single night. There was a time where I didn't wear it for a month and my teeth shifted and it really hurt. So there we go. So now that I am done getting ready for bed, I'm just gonna get my backpack ready to go so that I can just leave tomorrow morning without worrying about packing my gym clothes and all of that. Here are my gym clothes. After I put all of my stuff away, I like to sit on the couch and then get some work done. Whether it's doing some YouTube related things or if I'm preparing for my lessons, I like to just kind of relax in my PJs and get my work done. I'll also edit videos and then also edit some thumbnails and things like that. But I also like to relax and read Desiring God, which is a great Christian website. I also like to make golden milk. So basically you take your milk, take some ghee, this is chocolate ghee, and then add your turmeric, and it's just very relaxing. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. I know it doesn't look good, but it tastes good.